What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to show you guys how to basically connect your computer to your TV. So in this video the main thing that you want to get is your HDMI cable. So the first step is that I'm going to connect my HDMI cable to my laptop. Then what I'm going to do right now is to connect the other end of the HDMI cable into my TV. So in this case you want to know which of the HDMI port that you are going to connect it into. So for this I'm going to use HDMI 2. Alright guys, you can see that now my computer has connected to my TV with a duplicate screen. Now if your computer have not yet connected, you can click on source and you will put it to HDMI 2 as you can see right there. Now you guys get the connection out of the way. I'm going to show you 4 different ways in which you can use your computer to your TV. So first, this is the first method, which this is in duplicate screen. So what you can do is click on your desktop, then you go to display settings. Then what you want to do is you want to scroll down to where you see multiple display. So right there, as you can see right there, it is in duplicate screen. So what you want to do now is to click on this and I can put it as extended display. So as you guys can see, there's 2 different screen with different screen on this right now. What I want to do now is to arrange this so that I can move from one screen to the next. So as you can see, I'm going to detect. So this right here is 1, over here is 2. So I'm going to rearrange this now so I can move it in the right order. So the computer is on this side, so I'm going to put it over to this side and I can adjust it where I want it. So now I can move from this screen. Let me apply this first. Right, so now I can move from this screen over to this screen. So let me show you guys an example. I'm going to move this over to the next screen now, as you guys can see right there. So I can move it from one screen to the next. So this basically is in extended screen. Now next method that I'm going to show you now, go down to multiple display again and I can show on only one. So right here, as you guys can see, it is always showing on this computer right here and not on my TV. Let me revert this. And the next thing I can also do, I can show it on only 2 over there. So basically it is now showing on my TV and not on my computer. So let me reverse again. So those are some of the settings that you can use to set up your multiple display. So let me go to the sound now to show you some settings that you can use to set up your sound display. So for example, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to show you guys how to basically project your sound to your computer and also project your sound on your TV. So I'm going to go on YouTube. Let me play a video right here. So this sound is basically playing right now on my TV. So what you can do to change this to my computer, basically you can go on sound right here. Then you can choose the different outputs of sound that you want to display it on. So right there you can see CTV TV. So I'm going to click on that and change it to speaker.
Intel Core i5
now you guys are seeing that
with 12 gig of DDR4 RAM, 256 SSD solid state device, Intel UHD graphics card.
Now you guys can see the idea that this sound now is being played on my computer. So it's very simple guys, that you can switch from the TV to your computer by clicking on the sound icon right here. Right, so that's it guys, that's all the details. I'll also do a video on how to connect your broken laptop to a TV screen. These are some of the steps that you can use also. And I also did a video where I show you guys how to basically close your laptop lid, so you guys can check those videos out. I put a link in the description that you guys can watch from those videos. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please remember to smash a like button, subscribe to this channel for more tips like this, and as always, thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys in my next video. Peace out.